Good morning, dear students. Let's start our science lesson number 13, weather and season. So, students, do you know the meaning of weather and season? Their meaning are same, but there are some difference between them. Weather, what is weather? Weather is a condition of air at a particular time or a place. That means weather is a condition of air and that is present in particular time or place. Like in a day, today, what is the weather of today? Today's weather is cloudy, and after that, tomorrow it's changed. Tomorrow its weather is windy. So it's changed. It not fixed at a some time. It change every day. So it change from day to day. Okay, it may be sunny, rainy, cloudy, cold or windy. Okay, it may be sunny, rainy, cloudy, cold or windy. Sometimes you can see that it's rain. It is raining outside, and after that weather becomes change and again sunlight everywhere spread. So weather is a condition of air at a particular time or place. It changes from day to day. It may be sunny, rainy, cloudy, cold or windy. So here W is time given. Write how the weather in each picture. Use from the box. Use words from the box. Here as given sunny, 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 rainy, cloudy, cold, windy. Here are some picture given. You have to observe this picture. Which picture is this? Here are raining outside, and this boy and girl hold an umbrella. When we use umbrella in the rainy season, so spelling of rainy, RAINY, rainy. Here in this picture, here they wear woolen clothes, and when we wear woolen clothes in cold, so COLD, cold. Here sun shining in the sky and everyone feels very hot. So this picture is of sunny. Now here clouds are there in the sky. So that means it is cloudy. CLOUDY, cloudy. Here wind blow very fast. So this is windy. Have you understand this? Now turn your page. Let's understand more about sunny days. What happen in sunny days? On sunny days, the sun shines brightly and the weather is very hot. Okay, on sunny days, what happen? On sunny days, the sun shines brightly and the weather is very hot. Now let's talk about cloudy day. What is cloudy day? In cloudy day, dark clouds hide in the sun. On some days, they are called cloudy days. Okay, dark clouds hide the sun on some days that are called cloudy days. Now let's talk about cold days. What are cold days? Some days are very cold. We like to stay indoors. It also snows on cold days in hilly area. Okay, snowfall happen in hilly area. Have you ever seen snowfall? So in cold days what happen? We like to stay indoor and we like to wear warm clothes also. Now let's talk about windy days. What happen in windy days? So in windy days, strong winds blow on some days. We see branches of trees and plants moving. Let's see in the picture. Branches of trees and plants moving. We need to hold our things tightly to stop them from flying. These are called windy days. In windy days, when your mother wash cloth, then what she put in the hanger? Peg. Otherwise, clothes will all fly away with air. So that's why we use peg in windy days. Now, what happen in rainy days? On some days it rains a lot. Everything around us get wet. Sometimes when the sun shines through the rain, we see a rainbow in the sky. Have you ever seen a rainbow in the sky? On rainy day, rains happen in all around and everything around us get wet. While raining time, sometimes we see sun also, and when these both things happen together, after that we see a rainbow in the sky. Do you know how many colors are there in rainbow? Yes, 7. Now, Dubis time. Fill in the blanks. On a dash day, the sun shines brightly. On which day sun shines brightly? Have you guessed? Which day sun shines brightly? Sunny day. So write it here, sunny. After that, second one. Everything around us gets wet. On a which day? Which day everything around us get wet? Rainy day. Yes. Now third one. Branches of trees moves on a dash day. So which day branches of trees moves? It windy day. So write it here, windy. Now fourth one, we see dark clouds on a dash day. So which day we see dark clouds? Cloudy day. Yes. So write it here, cloudy. Now fifth one, we stay indoor on a dash day. Which day we like to stay indoor? In cold day. So students, the next remain part of your lesson. Today we will learn about weather. In the next video I will explain about season. So read this lesson and complete this Dubis time and remember it. Thank you.